Hi, it's time for Story with Miss Lori. This afternoon we're going to hear a book called Birds. Birds are beautiful to watch. A few flaps of their wings and off they fly. The bird's lightweight skeleton helps it fly. Many of its bones are hollow. Beaks come in many different shapes and sizes. Each shape helps the bird gather the kind of food it likes to eat. The pelican scoops up fish in its large beak. The scarlet ibis spears frogs and small animals with its beak. See the other types of beaks, shapes, sizes? And most birds have 4 toes. Some of them have hooked claws for catching prey. Some birds have web feet for swimming in the water. Birds are covered by feathers. As old feathers fall out, they are replaced by new ones. You can sometimes identify a bird by looking at its feathers. There's a seagull. Most birds build their nests the same way their parents did, but some, such as the yellow warbler, lay their eggs in other birds' nests. Each bird's nests look different. Here is a robin's nest that was made with mud and lined with grass. These are wooden eggs that Miss Lori painted. And this is a sparrow's nest. It's quite messy in comparison to the tight weaving of the robin's nest. It's put together quickly with leaves and grasses. Can you see the nest in this picture? It's pretty well camouflaged. There it is. Nests are often hidden and hard to see. That protects the eggs. Birds sometimes build their nest in birdhouses that people provide. This titmouse has built his nest in someone's mailbox. What a surprise they'll find. Male and female redstarts take turns feeding grubs to their babies. The baby birds have to eat every few minutes. Who sleeps during the day and hunts for mice and other small animals in the dark of night? Who? It's the owl. He's nocturnal. The male peacock feathers are more brightly colored than the females. The spectacular male peacock spreads his brilliant tail feathers to attract a female. This is a real peacock feather. Look at that beautiful eye. The female is called a peahen. She is smaller and does not have brightly colored tail feathers. To protect themselves from enemies, many birds have feathers that blend in with their surroundings. In the winter, this tarragon's feathers change color in winter to blend in with the snow. In the autumn, when the weather turns cool, some birds fly south to warmer climates. Each breed of bird travels in its own formation. We're familiar with seeing geese fly over in their V formation. The ostrich is the world's largest bird. The smallest is the hummingbird. An ostrich can weigh up to 300 pounds, and some hummingbirds weigh less than 1 ounce. This is an ostrich egg compared to a chicken egg that you might have for your breakfast. It's quite big, and the shell is thick. There are more than 9,000 kinds of birds. Most of them are a great help to people. Some, like sparrows, robins, and bluebirds, which live around here, help farmers by eating insects that feed on crops. Others, like parakeets and canaries, are pets whose singing brings joy to their owners. You can even use a feather to write with. The end.